Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellows. How are you? How are things going? I am Muhaddis Khan, the son of Naeem Khan. I study in grade 6 Falcon at GHS Sardad Mandew Bannu. Today we are sitting here to talk about Independence Day. Today we gather to celebrate the 77th independence of our beloved country Pakistan. On this day in 1947, our country was born and we become a sovereign state. We remember the struggles of our founding fathers who fought tirelessly for our freedom. We honor the sacrifices of those who gave their lives for our country. Today we are celebrating Pakistan's Independence Day, a significant occasion in our nation's history. Today I have three special guests with me, namely Kashif, Waliullah and Sadiq Faruqi. First of all, I will ask a question from Kashif. Kashif, can you tell us a bit that how do you live this day?
Thank you, dear Muhaddis. I am excited to be here with you. For me, Independence Day is a time to celebrate the rich cultural heritage and achievements of our country. It's also a reminder of the values of independence, unity and faith that our leader envisioned for Pakistan. I take this day as an opportunity to engage in activities that foster national pride and remind ourselves of our collective goals.
Excellent. I agree. Perspectives. That is a great way to live Independence Day. Now I am turning towards Waliullah. Waliullah, you are known for your involvement in cultural preservations. How do you celebrate this day?
Thanks, dear Muhaddis, for inviting me here on this sacred and Independence Day.
Thank you very much.
Well, Independence Day for me is celebration of our cultural identity. I am deeply involved in preserving and promoting in traditional arts and crafts. On this day, I participate in cultural exhibition and performance that highlight Pakistan's rich heritage. It's a way to connect with our roots and share our culture with others.
Thank you very much, Waliullah. That is exactly, it's a very great. That is that.
Yes.
Now, at last, I will ask a question from Sadiq Faruqi. Sadiq, can you tell us that how do you celebrate this day?
Thanks, Jan Muhaddis. I am grateful for calling here on this happy day. Thank you for hearing me. Independence Day is a moment of immense power and reflection. For me, it reminds the sacrifice made by our forefathers to achieve freedom. It's day to honor their struggle and celebrate the prosperity and progress of our nation. We feel a strong sense for responsibility to contribute to Pakistan's growth and unity.
Very well, it's a great answer. I agree with you. It's a fact also. Dear viewers and listeners, you listened our fruitful and informative conversation. May Allah bestowed you with happiness and prosperity. Happy 77th Independence Day.